could not pronounce this word to save my life.
Same. Hi guys, so today we're doing something a bit different. We are at Alchemist for our book club, which I guess you guys are gonna join us for. Would you date me on the regular? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. Okay, so basically we did this thing where we're supposed to dress up as characters, and conveniently,
Why TikTok? That's so
I
random.
dressed up as the same character. I'm Vivek when he died.
And I'm Vivek when we realized that he was walking in the street dressed like a girl.
So two Viveks.
Hi book club, let us please stop picking these depressing books. I'm not arguing, yes, a lot of like African authors write a lot about trauma, but please, not everyone. Enough, they killed my entire family, they crucified us, we were in war. Let's pick the funny one, like easy, breathe like this, breathe like this,
Yeah.
breathe like this. It does not make me see them differently. It might not always make sense to people, and like any other job, it has ups, it has downs. Some people are more cut out for it. I think, was it Amma in the book?
Yeah.
Dahlin, name one other character other than Amma.
I think we should not judge sex workers. Get it how
Oh, he's trying to say this for those YouTube girls.
you live. Get it how you live. But yeah.
I've always felt that way, like what she said. So I think it didn't really change my view on it. It just highlighted their lives, and I think with all the stigma and stuff that tends to surround it, that I would recommend people to read it.
Obviously, you get to hear some of these stories about what they go through or how they ended up where they are, but to really hear, because if you read about the author, these are based on true life stories and people's experiences. So it was interesting to see how people end up in that situation. I came up with a bunch of questions that I wanted us to answer. Basically, whose line is this anyways? So we say which character said words.
I'm glad we started book club. I think it's a nice little thing where you get to hear your friends' opinions on topics.
The funniest is when we made a full of Death is Your Beauty, and Maya argued that she did not like the fact that he ended up with.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland.
We're here. It's fucking time. Cheers, nigga.
Too many rules, too strict. Hi everyone, we're back again with part 2 of this video. Today I'm here with Dahlin.
Donna, win this bitch. Ooh, what's up?
I'm here for a breakfast catch-up sesh, and just to talk a bit about low maintenance friendships.
Yeah, but here to break it down for y'all. Tell you how we've been able to maintain our friendship for like how long?
12 years old.
I know. I feel like I've known Maya since when, bro? Since she was a youngin.
I feel like basically those friendships where I don't want to say minimal effort, but you're there when it matters. You're there for the big stuff. I may not know what you had for breakfast. I don't know where you were last night, but when it comes to the real things, what are you doing? What's your job? Or are you happy? So to me, that's what low maintenance friendships are.
Okay, I don't like the word low maintenance. It's just like you're there when you need to be there. Friends need to be there all the time. Not all the time, but you're there when I need you, man. It's like I don't have to talk to you. I don't have to talk to you every day, but I know we check in and all that shit. We're still locked in. Catch up when you catch up, it's still like a vibe, you know. It's like nothing's changed, still the same. That's how I describe it. I think like the first thing as a grown ass man that I had to do, you need to drop all expectations. Like, okay, I mean that sounds bad because you should have some expectations for your friends, But honestly, like I feel like you just need to drop expectations. Everyone has a lot going on, and sometimes you never know. You can't project your expectations on people. Like, oh damn, you're supposed to call me every week. Those type of expectations, like people hold so like dearly, like sometimes make no sense. So sometimes drop all the expectations, just vibe. The second thing is experiences change people. You know, like people go to different universities, people meet different friends in college. So I feel like sometimes you need to also put it in your mind that the person you need is not the same person, and that's okay. You know, treat them the same ways. And then the last thing, the deep one. Not all friendships are supposed to. You know what I'm saying? Not all friendships are supposed to be like, yo, this is not like a lifetime contract, man. You need to sign no dotted line. Like, you know, like, bro, like, you're not supposed to force it. I feel like that's the same
sometimes
way.
you have to know when it's
like,
time to
yeah,
end
like,
the
you know, like,
friendship.
yo, everything runs its course sometimes. Like, it's never that deep. It's not beef, man. I like how you guys are friends for life. Even if they have like their differences, like, you know, like people can be beefing, but you know, like they fight through it out here. Oh, and the final thing, you know, like every time a homie comes in my head, like let's have and talk to someone in a minute. It's just like, bro, you come in my head, bro, I'm gonna text you, I'm gonna snap you, I'm gonna just be like, yo, what's good, you good? Or like give you like a random call, some shit like that. I feel like, cause I don't talk to people every day, bro. Like niggas are busy, bro. We're 9 to 5. I promise you, anytime I get like a random memory, or like those Snapchat things, those Snapchat things. I feel like I always be like, oh, this is God telling me like, oh, say what's up to this person and shit like that. So check on your homies, man. Check on the homies. But yeah.
One of the ways I think you can keep a low maintenance friendship, not to be confused with a neglectful friendship, because it's one thing to be low maintenance, whereas you don't have to check in on the person all the time. But if you're neglectful, that just means you're never checking in, you're never there. So yeah, don't be that friend. But I feel like if you're actually a good friend of mine, but we're in a low maintenance friendship, kind of like the one we have, it's important to be reliable, which it doesn't mean I don't expect you to pick up my every single call or reach out to me all the time, but it's like if I knew it came down to it, if I was in trouble or in a knot or something, I want to know that I can rely on this person. So that's one thing that I think is really important for a low maintenance friendship. I also think it's important to realize that with low maintenance friendships, you have to first have a strong friendship with this person. You definitely have to have this strong enough bond to know that if you go a couple months without talking, or if you go a couple years without seeing each other, as soon as you do see each other, clicks like nothing left. You're able to pick up right where you left things. So yeah, that's also quite important for low maintenance friendships.
Hell nah. I feel like, bro, why are we fighting some demons, man? Nah, me personally, nah, cause I feel like you have to be expressive, bro. Like, I learned that the hard way, man. Like, you have to. I mean, expressive also comes like in different ways, man. You know, in a year, I'm at least gonna call someone like once or twice. However far I am, even if we don't see ourselves, you know what I'm saying? On your birthday, especially on your birthday. If you're my nigga for real, bro, you're gonna hear from me, nigga. I feel like I always reach out, you know, like say what's good. If I see your post and you're looking fly, you know you got that shit on, I'll be like, yo, I see you, nigga.
I wouldn't say I have trouble expressing, but I may not say the actual words I love you, but obviously people do it in their own ways that are comfortable to them. I wouldn't consider myself a mushy person in that regard, but
Yeah, mine's stone cold, man.
no, I'm not, but I would express it in ways that make sense to me. Okay, so just to sum this up,
Take care of your friends, you know, link up, you know, go out.
keep in touch with your low maintenance friends.
We all we got.
That's true.
Secret in tomorrow, man.
Also, I think drop down for me in the comments the kind of friendships you guys prefer. Is it low maintenance or high maintenance? I'm curious.
Yeah,
What
and
do you think?
then, you know, like, share, subscribe, comment,
All that.
subscribe.